Punjab police cracks down on global drug kingpin. In a significant breakthrough, Punjab police have arrested Shehnaz Singh, also known as Sean Bhinder, a 33-year-old international drug trafficker who had been evading US authorities. Bhinder, a Canadian citizen originally from Punjab, was at the center of a massive narcotics smuggling operation that transported cocaine from Colombia into the United States and Canada. Despite the FBI's crackdown on his network, he managed to escape to India, where Punjab police finally caught him in Ludhiana. The drug empire and criminal network. Bhinder, a resident of Brampton, Canada, operated a large-scale drug trafficking syndicate under the guise of a legitimate transport business. His network smuggled drugs using trucks and trailers, ensuring seamless cross-border movement. Beyond drug smuggling, he was linked to dangerous criminals like Jaggu Bhagwanpuria and Amritpal Bhatt, allegedly facilitating targeted killings in Punjab. The FBI's operation and Bhinder's escape. On February 26, the FBI conducted a major operation against Bhinder's syndicate, arresting key members including Amritpal Singh alias Chima, Taqdeer Singh alias Romy, Sharabjit Singh alias Sabi, and Fernando Valadez alias Franco. Authorities seized 391 kg of methamphetamine, 109 kg of cocaine, and multiple firearms. However, Bhinder managed to evade capture and fled to India on March 3, seeking refuge in his native Punjab. Punjab police manhunt and arrest. Although US authorities pursued Bhinder for drug charges, Punjab police were also investigating him for arms smuggling. He was involved in a case from December 2024 linking him to Canada-based gangster Amritpal Bhatt and imprisoned criminal Jaggu Bhagwanpuria. Their group allegedly hired sharpshooters for assassinations in Punjab, but law enforcement intervened, seizing a significant cache of weapons. Internal betrayal and downfall. Bhinder's criminal empire began crumbling when internal conflicts led to betrayals. In April 2024, his close associates stole a consignment of cocaine and planned to distribute it in New York. However, their plan fell apart when one conspirator crashed a truck carrying 10 kg of stolen drugs. This exposed their operation, leading to the arrest of Bhinder's key man. Under increasing law enforcement pressure, Bhinder fled to India, where Punjab police eventually tracked him down and arrested him in Ludhiana. Legal consequences and global impact. Bhinder's arrest is a major victory against transnational organized crime. His capture has dismantled a key narcotics network and highlighted the effectiveness of global law enforcement collaboration. Whether he faces trial in India or gets extradited to the US, his downfall sends a strong message. No criminal can escape justice forever.